today I'll show you how to make duck cheese the correct way.
Okay,
So first we need red and blue papers.
Okay.
So follow what my dad does.
Okay.
He knows what to do.
Okay.
So first we're gonna fold it like
fold
this.
Like half.
Oh,
for
let
this
me
one.
fix mine. I
Yeah.
just said the same weights.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
this, thin. Fold
Yeah.
again with the
Yeah,
other side.
okay. Let's make the other one. Like this.
Like that. Also,
that.
if you notice the paper is small,
Yeah.
my dad just cut it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we're gonna make a
now
cross.
you put it like this.
Yeah, like that.
Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Okay.
Now.
Now are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. From bottom.
Yeah, bottom.
You wrap like this.
Wrap it.
Fold like this.
Fold.
Fold like that. So put it in
Like that.
Yeah, flat.
Like this.
Then
Guys.
then
XD.
yeah. Okay. So this is the first. This is the first step. First
Yeah,
step.
first step.
First
Easy
step.
one.
Yeah. Then next step is you fold this one.
Where?
This one. You fold this one.
Okay,
to,
like
like
that.
Like this.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, that's easy.
Yeah, it's
okay,
easy.
now
Now
turn the
repeat
other
the same.
side. Yeah.
Like this.
And yeah, then you do the same thing.
Repeat the same thing
Yeah.
with the others.
Like this.
Like that.
Then
Put it in like this. It
Like
should
that.
look like an envelope. Open the envelope.
Like this already.
Yeah, it should look like an open envelope.
Yeah.
Now,
turn again.
turn again.
And
Then
flip like this.
just repeat the same steps.
Yeah, same step. And
Then close it like
that.
so.
Yeah.
Now it should look like this.
Like this. And one last one left.
One
right?
last one left.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna do this.
Do this again.
Like this again. Then fold it in half.
Press in half.
Open it again.
Yeah,
Put it
now-
inside here.
Now you put this one into the hole here.
You mean this one?
Here. You
Yeah, like this.
put this one in hole in here.
Put in the hole.
Yeah, so
Now
go
you
like
made a
that.
duck cheese.
Then you
Now that's a medium-sized duck cheese.
yeah medium sized duck cheese.
Yeah.
You be made red color duck cheese.
And blue color duck cheese.
Daddy make a blue color duck cheese. And you know how to play duck cheese.
I already made a video of that.
Yeah, you hit like
This
that.
is kind of, it won't flip.
Yeah, I'll show you. They show you. You have to hit very hard.
Mommy, but I mean daddy.
Huh?
But it won't flip because it's flat.
Yeah. So maybe you can add, if you want, you can add some, like,
What?
let's say some bandage.
Yeah.
Bandage inside. Let me find some bandage. So
Yeah.
you can put it inside.
Yeah, we're gonna put some bandage inside
Yeah.
because it's too flat. It's flat, so we're gonna be making it thick.
Let's put some bandage inside.
Okay, be right back, guys.
Good.
Okay, we got some bandages. We're gonna cut it now in
Yeah.
half.
Good. Yeah. Here's a seeder. I'm gonna put
Yep.
make it happen. So you can put that one inside.
Yeah, even daddy.
Oh, this one has cut.
Yes, it does.
Mm.
Just like that.
Okay.
Like this.
네, 그러면 이제 콩콩의 색
You put it
Now,
inside
put
here.
it inside here.
Yeah.
Put it inside it in the middle.
Yeah.
Now, so fold it.
Yeah.
Like that, right?
Yeah.
Oh. You mean like this? Hold it like that?
Yeah. Then you put it.
No, it's making where do I put this? No, inside it. Now it will look a little bit thicker.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah. Let me see. Let me try. Whoa. Whoa.
So here's a dakchi also. I will make another video how I will show you all the. So I will make another video, and that video is I'll show you all the games that we have. Gongi, Jack or Gongi or Jack, Gongi or Jack, things Jack blank. So please find the word compared with jackpot or jackstone. Jackstone actually. Gongi or jackstone or dakchi. So that's dakchi. That's all those games we made. Dakchi. I already showed you how it looks like, and I just made a video before. Here's the small size, medium size. Just like that. Oops. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe and comment if you understand. If you don't understand, I'll still make another video, just like what I said, to how to play Dakchi. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.